Good day, engineers!
So today we're going to perform
Compression test on wood specimens, particularly mahogany, cocoa lumber, and Gymnelina species.
Laboratory procedures and specifications are in accordance to ASTM D198 and BSEN 338. Compression testing is a very common testing method that is used to establish the compressive force or crush resistance of a material, and the ability of the material to recover from a specified compressive force is applied and even held over a defined period of time. Segregate wood variations according to wood species. Saw wood specimen to appropriate size. This must fit into the universal testing machine. Document wood samples, dimension using steel tape and vernier caliper. And lastly, weigh sample using triple beam balance.
Cocoa lumber na.
Kanin.
Siyempre, na-advertisement.
Conduct the compression test using the universal testing machine. It is done first by clamping a portion of the sample to the bottom clamp. After that, turn on the machine and compress the wood specimen until failure.
Nakano ko ba kay wati gusto ko kayang ano? Gusto ko kayang pag-stop book.
Lata.
Lata no? Ano oh?
Ay, lata.
Ang wood.
Wala, bigyan na ko. Ay, isa ako.
Record the stress strain diagram on the universal testing machine and record the compressive strength. After that, calculate for the mechanical properties of the different wood specimen. Results and discussions. The first table shows the preliminary data of various wood specimen, which is the cocoa lumber and Gymnelina. These data were actually acquired in the duration of the laboratory experiment. Table number 2 shows the calculated data of various wood specimen, which is compressive strength and the area. Using the data gathered presented in table number 1, we were able to obtain the compressive strength using the stress formula and the area using the area formula. Based on the given data, Gymnelina exhibits a slightly higher compression strength of 18.028 MPa compared to cocoa lumber's 16.83 MPa. This suggests that Gymnelina is stronger and better suited for applications where compression strength is a critical factor. However, it is also important to consider the nature of the failures that were observed during the compression tests. Cocoa lumber experienced brooming or end rolling grain failure, while Gymnelina experienced a crushing splitting failure, which suggests that the wood may have defects or weaknesses that were not apparent from its visual appearance. In terms of compliance with ASTM D198 and BSEN 338, both cocoa lumber and Gymnelina met the requirements for compression strength, as they have values that fall within the acceptable range for structural lumber. Experiment 2 is brought to you by Morphori, Oro, Maglunsod, Giling, Saludas.
See you on the next video. Bye!